Hello all, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Applied Forensic Research Science. This is me Navida Narayanan, volunteer of Applied Forensic Research Science. Today we are here with a new topic dealing with the power of police in India. Before moving to the topic, let's look who is a police. We can say police as, or we can say the full form of police as Public Officer for Legal Investigations and Criminal Emergencies. Actually, the police are the group of personnel who are there to enforce law, to prevent any kind of civil disorders, to save lives, and to punish criminals. Basically, we can say that the typical responsibility of police is maintaining public order. Now let's look what's meant by the term investigation. Investigation means the action of investigating something or someone. In other words, we can say that the formal or systematic examination or searching of something or someone. The person who does the investigation is called as an investigating officer. Investigation is a process which have a lot of processing steps, which include the evidence gathering, to inform analysis, to theory development and validation of it, to forming reasonable ground to believe, and finally to arrest and charge of the suspects. The investigating officers uses three types of investigations to research the development, explanations for events in the nature. The three types are descriptive investigation, comparative. Now let's look the police power of investigation. In the CrPC, the Code of Criminal Procedure, in the chapter number 12, the information to the police and their power to investigation is explained. There are a lot of sections in that, which start the section 154 of chapter 12 in CrPC deals with information in cognizable cases. That is, every information relating to the commission of a cognizable offense, if given orally to an officer in charge of a police station, shall be reduced to writing by him or under his direction, and that can be read over to the informant. And every such information, whether given in a written or reduced to writing as asphodite, shall be signed by the person giving it, and the substance therefore shall. The section 155 of CrPC deals with the information as to non-cognizable cases and investigation of such cases. These have four clauses. The first clause is when information is given to an officer in charge of a police station of the commission within the limits of such station of a non-cognizable offense, he shall enter or cause to be entered the substance of information in a book to be kept by such officer in such form as the state government may prescribe in this behalf and refer the information to the magistrate. The second point is no police officer shall investigate a non-cognizable case without the order of a magistrate having power to try such case or commit the case for trial. And the third point is any police officer receiving such orders may exercise the same power in respect of the investigation, and it have an exception, the power to arrest without a warrant, as an officer in charge of a police station may exercise in a cognizable cases. The fourth clause is where a case relates to two or more offences of Section 156 of CrPC deals with the police officer's power to investigate cognizable cases. It has 3 points. The first point is any officer in charge of a police station may, without the order of a magistrate, investigate any causable case which a court having jurisdiction over the local area within the limits of such station would have power to inquire into or try under the provision of Chapter 13. The second point is no proceeding of a police officer in any such case shall at any stage be called in questions on the ground that the case was one which such officer was not empowered under this section to investigate. And the third point is the section 157 of CrPC deals with procedure for investigation. The section 158 deals with how to submit the report. 159 on the power to hold investigation or primary inquiry. The section 160 deals with the police officer's power to inquire attendance of witness. The Section 162 deals with the statements to police not to be signed, use of statements in evidences. Section 163 deals with no inducement to be offered. Section 164, which have 164A also. The Section 164 deals with recording of confessions and statements. And 164A deals with medical examination of the victim of rape. The Section 166 have 166A and 166B also. 166 deals with when officer in charge of police station may require another to issue search warrant. 166A deals with letter of request to complete authority for investigation in a country or place outside India. 166B deals with letter of request from a country or a place outside India to. Section 167 deals with procedure when investigation cannot be completed in 24 hours. 168 deals with report of investigation by subordinate police officer. 169 deals with release of accused when evidence deficient. 170 deals with the cases to be sent to. Section 171 deals with the complaint and witnesses not to be required to accompany police officer and not to be subject to restraint. 172 deals with diary of proceeding in investigation. 173 deals with report of police officer on completion of investigation. 174 deals with the police to inquire and report on suicide, etc. 175 deals with the power to summon persons. The last section of Chapter 12 in CrPC is Section 176, which deals with inquiry by magistrate into cause of death. These all are the information to the police and their power of investigation which is explained in the course. Thank you all for listening to this video. For more videos about forensic science, please do subscribe the channel and press the bell button.